Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. As you can already tell, I'm going to be doing my 5-minute makeup routine. This is like my everyday makeup routine, which I literally have been doing for the last few weeks. Especially being pregnant, I feel like at times I just want to wake up and just eat, and sometimes I just don't have time to do a full makeup routine. But these essential pieces I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit, they're basically, like I said, my essentials. They're the things that I use every day for an everyday simple minimalist makeup look. And so I wanted to show you guys the products that I am going to be using, which is from today's partner, which is Merit Beauty. They were actually so kind enough to gift me their top essentials, which I believe are essentials, at least for me, because these have been the products that I've been using every day, all day, nonstop, at least for like just an everyday look, like something clean, simple, but still makes you look put together. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the products. Like I said, they're all mostly going to be from Merit. Merit is a minimalist and clean beauty line, and as soon as I tried all their products, I was obsessed. So I really hope you guys enjoy them as much as I did. I am going to be linking all the products that I will be using down in the description, as well as their Instagram page right down here, so you guys can check them out and their products. But before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you guys are new, and also check out my Instagram page where I post lots of outfit of the day content. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's makeup look. Alright, so right now I am at my palest. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been breaking out a lot, especially down here. I don't know if it's pregnancy or what, but I have just been breaking out a lot down up here, down here. Yeah, I've been trying to just take care of my skin as best as I can, but it's, I just don't know. I think it's just from pregnancy. But anyways, I've already prepped my face, moisturized and everything like that. All right, so the first product that first of all I fell in love with came in a little package like this. By the way, all the products look so cute. I mean, once I show you, like, they're like really cute, just very minimalistic, but very cute. So the first one is the perfection, I think it's called the Perfection Stick, Perfecting Complexion Stick, and I chose the perfect color because I just love it. It fits my skin perfectly, and this is the color Osprey, I don't know, but it comes in a little stick like this. And it's one of those like twist ups, but seriously, a little goes a long way with this one. This is probably the one that I really fell in love with, and probably one that I will keep purchasing as soon as I finish this one, because it's one that I use all the time. It's like the perfect shade, just the perfect pigmentation, everything. I just love it. It goes on so smooth, and I always try to find something that's going to cover up my under eyes, because I have really bad dark circles. But what I have been doing with this one for an everyday look is just going over any blemishes or any like red or pink areas in my skin. You can always, you know, apply it all over if you want, but I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to be using the Merit brush that they sent me, and this one is brush number 1. Is a blending brush, and I also love it. But as you can see, the complexion stick just goes on so seamlessly. It just like kind of just goes so smooth on your skin. I really like that it looks as if you don't really have that much makeup. They do have different shades on the complexion stick. I feel like I chose the perfect one for my skin tone. It looks just like my skin. I am a little bit more pale right now than I usually am, so it turned out perfect. So as you can see, it just goes on so nice. Doesn't even look like I have makeup on, and that's exactly what I'm going for right now for an everyday makeup look. The next little cute item that I'm going to be talking about is this little it's an eyebrow brush, but it does come a little bit tinted, so I chose the color brown. It comes like this. I don't know if you guys can see. And all you have to do, I mean, if you want to apply a little bit of color, this is the perfect brush, because not only does it comb it out for you, but it also keeps everything in place, and it's going to add a little bit of darkness just so your eyebrows can pop a little bit more. Makes them a little bit more darker, more noticeable. It just makes them pop, like I said. Now for an everyday makeup look, I'm not gonna go in and shade in my eyebrows like I normally would, but this just definitely just keeps them tamed, and like I said, just makes them pop a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Merit volumizing mascara. This one is also just a really good mascara. It lifts, but it doesn't clump your eyelashes, which I love, just to make it look, just makes them look really natural, long. I find myself always going a little bit extra on the end, just because I like for my ends to look the longest. Makes your eyes look a little bit long. I also don't know if I mentioned, but all the products on the Merit website are all clean, vegan, and cruelty free, so that is just another plus. I'm sorry if I'm looking up so much, but I have a little mirror up top because this little camera screen was just not gonna cut it. Alright, so I am still looking a little bit pale, so I could always add some bronzer if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. I kind of like the clean, minimal look. I am, however, going to be adding some blush. This one is in the color Terracotta, and it's one of those like the cream blushes. So you can blend it in with a brush or something, but I have been actually really liking just blending it in with my fingers. I feel like the warmth of my hands just kind of like blends them in really nicely with the foundation. But what I really like about the cream blush, which I had actually never tried before on my own, is just how natural it makes your skin look. Just looks like this is just my natural blushy cheek, which is really, really nice. I'm also going to add some on the top of my nose. Since it is summertime, I kind of want it to look like I have some color on my cheeks and nose. And you can always add more if you want. I chose to not go for the obvious like rosy pink. This is the color Terracotta, like I said, and it's like a brownish tint. I feel like it actually goes really well as a blush because it just looks a little bit more natural. More of a bronzy, blushy color, which I really like. So this is how it looks. It also just looks kind of like you have a little glow on you. It's really, really cute. All right, and last but not least, for my everyday makeup look, I am going to be adding in first a little bit of lip liner, just because I have a lot of discoloration like on the edges of my lips. So I usually always have to add in some lip liner just to kind of even everything out before I go in with some gloss. So this is from Jaclyn Hill and it's in the color Hot Tea. I always tend to go for like brownish tones just to kind of match my lip color. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to be adding some gloss just to finish the whole look, just to give me a little bit of some glossy, shiny lips. I actually didn't know which one to go with. They have two really cute colors that I like. They look really very much the same, almost a little bit. This one's a little bit more darker, but these are the tones that I usually go for. So the darker one is, I don't know how to pronounce these names, but the lighter one is Au Natural. It's a tinted lip oil, but really don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I think I'm gonna go for the lighter one today, just because I feel like the lip liner kind of made my lips a little bit dark. I love applying these throughout the day while I'm at work or at the store or something. Just applying it just to give my color a little bit of color and gloss when they are a little bit chapped. I feel like I want to add a little bit of my powder. I usually don't really do this, but I kind of want to do it just because I feel like my under eyes look a little shiny. So I am going to be adding some of this setting powder just in the bottom. But yeah, that is going to be it for my everyday 5-minute beauty and makeup routine. Like I said, mostly every product was from Merit. They have the essentials when it comes to the main products you need for like an everyday look, and they have some really, really great products. So I'm going to be linking everything that I use down below. I'm also going to be linking their website. Do check them out. They have amazing, amazing products, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which product was your favorite, or if you are planning on trying some yourselves. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and like always, I'll see you guys next time I upload. Bye.